Hi, in this video, we will have a look at the two kinds of goodwill. There are two kinds of goodwill. The first one is referred to as purchased goodwill, and the second one is called self-generated goodwill. We'll begin with purchased goodwill. Definition of purchased goodwill. Purchased goodwill refers to goodwill that is acquired by a firm for a consideration, whether in the form of money or money's worth. What is the meaning of purchased goodwill? When a business is purchased and the purchase consideration is greater than the value of the net assets taken over. When I say net assets taken over, it is the value of the total assets taken over minus the value of the liabilities which have been taken over. The difference is said to be the payment made for goodwill of the purchased business. This can be demonstrated with the help of an example. Let's say A Limited purchases the business of Exits Xilex for a purchase consideration of rupees 3 lakh. The assets and liabilities of Exits Xilex were as follows. Building is rupees 1,50,000, machinery rupees 75,000, stock rupees 50,000, debtors rupees 15,000, and creditors rupees 35,000. The value of net assets taken over by A Limited in this case is rupees 2,55,000. We arrive at this amount by adding the value of the assets in total minus the value of the liability taken over. In other words, 1,50,000 rupees plus 75,000 rupees plus 50,000 rupees plus 15,000 rupees minus the liability taken over, rupees 35,000. And therefore we arrive at the net assets taken over by A Limited as rupees 2,55,000. Now the purchase consideration paid by A Limited to Exits Xilex is rupees 3 lakh. Now if you see here, although the net assets taken over is rupees 2,55,000, A Limited pays rupees 3 lakh. This excess amount paid is for goodwill, that is rupees 45,000. Rupees 3 lakh minus rupees 2,55,000. And this is called purchased goodwill because a consideration has been paid for it. Let's check out the features of purchased goodwill. The following are the features of purchased goodwill. It arises only when a business is purchased. Since purchase consideration is paid for it, as per Accounting Standard 26, it can be recorded in the books of accounts. We will come back to this in the same slide a bit later. It is shown in the balance sheet as an asset. The value of goodwill is ascertained when both the purchaser of the business and the seller agree to its valuation. The value of the goodwill is based on the purchaser's expectation of future profits from the business purchased. The goodwill should be amortized over its useful life. So we saw here the definition, meaning, example and features of purchased goodwill. Now let's go to self-generated goodwill. Self-generated goodwill refers to goodwill that is not purchased but is acquired by the efforts put in by the management of the organization. And in the case of partnership firms, the efforts put in by the partners. So what does it mean? It refers to the internally generated goodwill which arises due to factors such as efficient management, good quality product, excellent after sales service, etc. Let's see this with an example. Y Limited sells refrigerators. Due to the quality of products sold, good quality of products sold, the friendly approach of the staff, and also the excellent after sales service, Y Limited enjoys the patronage of a large number of customers, and therefore this leads to more profits and therefore higher goodwill. So this is an example of self-generated goodwill which arises due to the good quality of the refrigerator which has been sold, the friendly approach of the staff, and the excellent after sales service. What are the features of self-generated goodwill? It is generated internally over the years of hard work. Valuation of self-generated goodwill is subjective and dependent on the valuer, since it is not based on evidence. It cannot be recorded in the books of accounts, since as per AS 26, goodwill can be recorded in the books of account only if consideration is paid for it. I'll come back to this point just now. So we just saw the definition of self-generated goodwill, meaning, an example, and the features. Now, what is the relation between Accounting Standard 26 and these two kinds of goodwill? Earlier, we learnt in Accounting Standard 26 that only goodwill for which consideration is paid can be recorded in the books of accounts. Therefore, only purchased goodwill can be recorded in the books of accounts since consideration has been paid for it. Self-generated goodwill cannot be recorded in the books of accounts. No consideration has been paid for it. Now, what is the reason for this? Why can only purchased goodwill be recorded in the books? Only purchased goodwill is recorded in the books because this is evidenced by payment, whereas self-generated goodwill is not recorded because its value is subjective and it is not evidenced by payment. There is no evidence for the amount of the goodwill in the case of self-generated goodwill. However, in the case of purchased goodwill, since consideration is paid for it, it is clearly evidenced by the amount paid for the purchased goodwill. So we just saw the two kinds of goodwill and the relation between Accounting Standard 26 and the two kinds of goodwill. So we finished this section on nature of goodwill. Next, we will go on to the next section on methods of valuation of goodwill.